You are welcome once again to the Empowered Living with Yes Global. This program is meant for people who wants to understand health, who wants to maintain good health, who have problems and they want to empower their body to reverse. People who want to live young and healthy for a very long time. This program is for you tonight. Let's go through briefly what this company is all about in this amazing program. Welcome to Yes Global. Yes Global. What is Yes Global all about? Yes Global is a company that is founded by three people. From the left is YB Liu. He is the founder and the CEO of Yes Global. This man is specialized and experienced in formulation of health and wellness products and also skincare products. He's also an experienced businessman, a lot of IT knowledge. So apart from the health product formulation, he's a business tycoon. Then we have the middle, Mr. Jonathan Abe. He is the Chief Business Officer and the Director of Yes Global in Africa. He is an experienced businessman, somebody who is a great networker, built thousands of networks and coach many people to overcome financial challenges. So he has several years of experience. And then we have Dr. Chan, that's the female among them. She is the medical director of Yes Global. Yes Global has a research and formulation department. So everything that comes out, a lot of research is done, and then it goes through all the necessary testing. And when it comes out, nothing can challenge it. So we are very proud of our products because everybody that take them into your system, you know that you have taken high quality products. Yes Global is not just a name. We are a global company. The headquarters of Yes Global is in Malaysia. The black man, Mr. Jonathan Abe, is a Ghanaian, and the two, YB Liu and Dr. Chan, are from Malaysia. So we also have the headquarters of Africa in Ghana here. And we have many offices and branches in Ghana as well. Why must you consider this company? Why must you join only Yes Global or deal with us? We have a solid corporate structure because every single product formulated is from Yes Global's own factory. We have three in Malaysia, one in China, and all the products are produced by our research and development team. So all the products we produce really deliver real-time results, and the payout, if you want to do business with us, is amazing. The training is here, and our culture is love, loyalty, and commitment. That is an amazing culture that will help every group of people to flourish very, very well. Now we have two aspects. We have the health empowerment, we have the business empowerment. So tonight, it's all about health. We want to empower many people to attain real good health. So let's understand the health empowerment aspect. So tonight, we're going to call on our doctor. She's a herbal doctor. She knows a lot about herbs, and she's also a physical therapist. So she understands a lot. She's an alternative doctor. So we're going to call her to give us a little health education and give us deep understanding of this, whatever products we are formulating, and then how you can use them. And tonight, we're going to give a little priority to male health. If you are a man here, I want you to be excited. And if you are a woman here, I want you to be excited for your husbands, for your brothers, for your uncles, for your parents. Be excited for every man because we're going to dive deep into male health. So without much ado, let me give the floor to Dr. Hadun Nasamu. If you are on the call, kindly unmute yourself. Please kindly unmute yourself and take over the floor so that we can have the health education. All right. Dr. Hadun, you are welcome.
All right. Good evening to everyone. I'm super delighted to be here this evening. And thank you all for making time to join us. In fact, today is one of the greatest day, I must say. As he said, we are into empowerment, and today is one of those. Yes, health and wellness empowerment. I would like us to have an open and honest conversation this evening. And the topic is what many people avoid, yet many silently struggle with it. In fact, they are two in one. I would like us to discuss erectile dysfunctioning and prostate health. So these two, they are complex in their own nature. But starting from the erectile dysfunctioning, gone are the days it was a condition for the elderly. But ED in short is no more. It used to be from 40 years to 70 years per research. But as it stands today, ED, people below 25 years are struggling with erectile dysfunctioning. In short, it's the inability to achieve or maintain an erection firm enough for sexual intercourse. And it is highly common. It affects over 50% of men. So if I mean 50%, we can just do our own calculation. It's not something small here. And I have been having so many encounters with men regarding this particular issue. That is why I want us to talk much about it. Almost like if I have a conversation with 10, about 4% of those will be having this kind of challenges. And it's very devastating. So few causes of this devastating conditions are heart issues. So with the heart issues, we are talking of high blood pressure, obesity, high cholesterol, just to mention but few. Then when we are talking of the neurological aspects, that is where Parkinson comes in, strokes, spinal cord injuries, multiple cesarean section, and all those things fall under that categories. Then from there, we are moving into hormonal issues. In that aspect, we are talking of low testosterone, thyroid imbalance. And when it comes to self-medication and then other side effects of medication, like people that are on BP drugs, diabetic drugs, and other kinds of Viagra's, they are all causes of this erectile dysfunctioning. Then when we are talking of the physiological aspects, stress, anxieties, depressions, and a whole lot of relationship problems. Then lifestyle is one of the causes. Smoking, excessively drinking of alcohol, lack of exercise. They are all playing role in this kinds of issues. Erectile dysfunctioning is not a joke. I've seen people that try to cause suicide, people that are rich, but their wives are cheating on them because they can't perform. And we have them in categories. What will show you that you are heading towards erectile dysfunction or you are already part of it? But before I come to that aspect, as I said, those conditions, those causes I've mentioned, when your blood circulation is poor, is very key to erectile dysfunctioning. About 75% of those problems are also associated with what? Poor blood circulation. Now, let us understand something here clearly. Sexual health is closely connected to overall body health. When your body is tired, when the body blood circulation is poor, when the mind is under pressure, it affects the overall performance. Last Sunday, our leader was talking of the Alpha Max, M Plus, and those things, and he was talking about a man could see a woman naked and the man will not have the desire. Someone might think that, oh, this is not true. It's very, very, very true. When your mind is overpressured, those desires, they vanish. You don't even have the libido at all. So it's something that we have to take note. Some of those common symptoms that will let us know that this person, or if you are among us this evening and you started having any of this, know that you have to start acting very fast. When you get erection, all right, but with the little provocation, you just drop off. It just fall and it will not erect again. It's a sign. If your desire to have sex reduce automatically, or if you have low libido, it have to take a whole lot of work before your desire comes. Know that you are also heading towards, or you are already having that challenge. And then those that are completely they are not able to erect. At any point in time, you can be naked, you can open your two legs. There is no erection coming at all. It's a sign that you are having that challenge. And that is the time that you need to get in touch with us. Before I come to the solution to this ED, let's also look at prostate health small. Prostate enlargement is a common condition where the prostate gland become bigger, especially when men are getting older. The prostate enlargement, it presses on the ureter. Someone will ask me, what is a ureter? It's the tube that carries the urine, the prostate. In fact, prostate is not a sickness, but what's associated with it that makes it a sickness. So often you hear people saying that this person is having prostate. The prostate is not a sickness, it's their glands. There are two glands, left and right. They're also associated like how the kidneys are well shaping. So if you could see an elderly, when it's normal and when it started enlarging, the enlargement, the down started opening. And these two pictures also depict a young guy with prostate, with everything, and then an elderly. As you are aging, the prostate, the two shape, they increase inside. That one is normal. You cannot grow and still expect your prostate gland to look smaller like someone in their 20s. It's very, very, very correct to have that kind of thing. But what I'm trying to let us understand is that the prostate gland, they are there to support, to lubricate the sperm, to help. So when the tube that is, when there are problems, you see that the down begin enlarging and it's making it harder for urine to pass. So some few common symptoms that you will notice that you are having prostate issues are mostly the most commonest symptoms is frequent urinating, especially in the night. So at times, if someone is even having infection, they will say that, oh, I think my prostate has started enlarging. I've been urinating very quick in the night. It's not only that, infections too could cause frequent urinating, and diabetes and others too could cause those same, but mostly the commonest symptoms is urinating frequently, especially in the night. Then also weaker erection, weaker urine stream. That is when young children, you could see they will all line up urinating and you see the stream, how stronger the urine flow. That is the stream I'm talking about. anyone that is having prostate, you see that the stream is always weaker. It's not that stronger when you are throwing urine. Yeah. And also feeling like the bladder is not fully empty. All the time you feel like going to urinate because you feel that there's still urine there. And also trembling after urinating is another cause, another symptoms that will tell you that you begin having problems with your prostate. It has started enlarging. But mostly it's varying from the age of 40. At age 40, every man is supposed to check your prostate health. Because from 40 onwards, the chances of it enlarging is always greater. And other symptoms too could be hormonal changes in you, family history, danger, and a whole lot of others could also be some symptoms that will show you that you are having it. But there's also another question I've been hearing. People do ask this. People are confused about this. I wanted us to clarify that one this night. Some people usually say that when you have prostate, when it starts enlarging and you don't take care of it, it becomes cancerous. I want to clarify that this night. Prostate cancer and prostate enlargement are two different sicknesses. Under no condition can prostate enlargement turn into prostate cancer. Yes. Prostate enlargement is a non-cancerous growth. And prostate cancer is what? Is cancer. So the two, they don't have any similarities. So if someone is having misunderstanding between the prostate enlargement and prostate cancer, this is the difference. They are never the same. Something that is not cancerous can never become cancerous. But the prostate cancer is abnormal or uncontrolled cancer cell growth. But the two of them, they happen in the same organ. They all happen in the prostate glands, but they are not the same. So there's no condition that, so there are instances someone will say that I never noticed it enlarging. I only saw that it was cancerous. Meaning that there was nothing like enlargement, but the cancerous came in. The cancer came in. So these two clarify, get it from me this night, that if you see someone battling with prostate enlargement, that prostate enlargement can never lead to prostate cancer. And if someone is having prostate cancer, it didn't start from enlargement. It started from there straight to the cancerous. There are no similarities in these two. The only similarities is that the two of them, they are all in the same gland. The two of them, their symptoms are the same. Why do I say the symptoms are the same? Someone with prostate cancer and someone with prostate enlargement, they all have issues with weaker urine flow. They have difficulties in urinating. So these are the similarities that bring the confusion. But I believe that at this point, we've all getting the clearer explanation that these two are not the same. So from the erectile dysfunctioning to the prostate health, prostate issues, then how do we get a lasting solution to these two devastating illnesses, to these two devastating or three devastating health challenges that normally disgrace people, that could lead to marital dispute, that could lead to a whole lot of issues, that could lead to death and all that come in, because there are instances a woman will cheat and then it will end in murder because the man will go and attack, and all those people call suicide because they cannot perform. So all those things really cause a whole lot of issues. That is why we, Yes Global, we came in with a powerful solution. There's none other than our three amazing male care products, the Coffee, Alpha Mass, in fact, the Miracle Man, the Candy, and the Ali Prime. This, we have a lot of testimonies, a lot of people praising our product, because when it comes to prostate health, you can be assured of its goodness. Come to anything that has to do with erectile dysfunction, you can be assured of its goodness. In fact, this product, and they are well formulated with carefully plant-based ingredients. That is a breakthrough in medical science. In fact, some of these ingredients that are in our coffee, candy, and then the Ali Prime, they are things that are difficult finding, and they are well formulated. In fact, 99.9 organically proven. So you are safe with them. They support with your cardiovascular health. They support with proper blood circulation. And correct or proper blood circulation is one of the solutions to erectile dysfunctioning. If a man is having enough circulation, there will not be much to complain about erectile issues. And aside those great benefits, the early prime, the coffee, the candy, they support with prolonged erection. They help with delay ejaculation. They boost men their testosterone level that has to balance their hormonal issues. And also they enhance your sperm quality, those that are searching for their fruit of the womb. There are so many men moving from one hospital to other in the name of low sperm count. Come to us and then we'll give you a permanent solution. Yes. It also support with stamina. If a man cannot last that long, you don't have confidence. In fact, a man that is having sexual weakness or erectile dysfunctioning, their confidence level is very low, because to be a man, you need to boast of, oh yeah, if a man cannot satisfy, in fact, you can only understand them unless you have that open conversation with them. And also, it support and also prevent sexual disorders. You can name them. Any of those kind, it can really support very, very, very well. So these three products, as I said, the early prime, the coffee, the candy comes in hand. We have the coffee for the youth, whoever that is a coffee fan, a coffee lover, you go for the coffee. We have the candy for other health-related issues like the BP patient, like the diabetic, the hypertensive people, those that are having high cholesterol, that are on other medication, those that are allergic to caffeine, they will also still get their choices. And it's very, very, very potent. It's noticeable within the shortest possible time. Early prime is for longer use if there are 60 capsules in one box, and it's for a whole month. Every day you just need 2 capsules and you are good to go. Early prime support when it comes to the sperm quality, it's very good on that regard. Then the coffee, if you want quick for it to work, but it's not a Viagra. It's a natural relief. It maintains, it restores your growth hormones, and a whole lot of goodness coming in. So this is the comprehensive package for every man. So much to talk about. And the coffee, the good thing about the coffee is that if you are a lady here, you can also try it, because personally I've used the coffee before and it's very good. The aroma is so creamy, good to taste. And also if you're a woman too and then your libido, you are on and off, try the coffee too. You come with your testimony. I've used it not for the libido, but I was curious to taste it and I can testify that it works for you. If you are a lady, you can try it. You come back and thank me. So this is the comprehensive for the men aspect. So from here, we'll move to the ladies for the sake of time. You know, ladies too, we are so unique. As we are talking about men, we cannot leave us out. In fact, I will not agree. Yes, Global, they don't only think about men, but also women. It says that it nourishes our inner goddess. Every lady, you are uniquely formed. We are so fragile. We need so much pampering. That is why Yes Global designed this powerful blend of herbs loaded with so many nutrients, so many goodies, starting from cranberries to support us with urinary tract infection and others. It supports us with a whole lot of related issues like infections. Then we have the maca, we have pamba, we have tankwa, biloba, we have a whole lot of Diana, Kafa Fatima. You can talk of the numerous ingredients that are all loaded in the V plus. Not forgetting the green tea to suppresses our appetite to make us look good. Turmeric helping with antioxidants, anti-inflammatory, and also supporting with collagen production. You know, we know what woman wants, and we make sure that every detailing of what women likes is in it. Then not forgetting your hair growth, your nails, and everything. It's a comprehensive ladies care as well. With this, you don't need any other pro natural and all those things. This is a pack. And when you are on it, you understand that yes, this product is worth it. So as a lady, reoccurrence of infection is something that we keep complaining. We could be popping so many antibiotics, but the results are not coming. So with our product like V Plus, it's prevent the reoccurrence of those infections. When it's fully treated, there's nothing like coming back. I've been struggling with those for years. And in fact, I'm very sensitive when it comes to infection. So there are places, anytime I visit those public institutions, it's difficult for me visiting their washroom because I easily contract those infections. But since I started taking V Plus, those things they are no more my worry because it protects me. It doesn't bring the infection back when it's treated. It protects 24/7. There are powerful discovery like the Ostrogen 1000 that is in there. It's a powerful blend from Korea that are 3 different ingredients all in one, supporting and also protecting us. And it also works in the hormonal issues. My elderly, our mothers, grandmothers, and co that are having serious nightmare, they cannot sleep, they're having this dry skin, flashy smell, and all those heat in them. This blend of herbs support alleviate all those menopausal symptoms. And also, if you are entering into your 40s or 50s, you are started having premenopausal symptoms too. The V Plus is here to solve all those problems, regulating our menstrual cycle that has to do with our hormonal balancing is also a key. So it's a comprehensive, as I said, it boosts our brain, it nourishes us, it's strengthening us and overall vitality. So with this V Plus, it's something we should add to lifestyle. Take it all the time. Don't wait to have infection. Don't wait to start complaining you don't have libido. No, start taking it to make sure that you are always ready. In fact, sex is very important. If you are a woman, you don't have sex, you are losing a lot. Yes, we'll talk about it one day, but prioritize it. It's for your own good. You need that sperms in it positive way. We'll talk about it one day. So from here, let's move to other product like the Probioc Plus. Another powerful blend of herbs. In fact, all our products are organics. They are plant-based, no chemical. In fact, some are proven 99.9% organic, and all has gone through testing and approved. Each of our products is also having license or FDA approval in Ghana. So in fact, any product, if you are joining us for the first time, be assured we have all the accreditations, we have all the licensing, we are doing what is expected of us. So this is good for anyone suffering from issues regarding your lungs, infection, nasal congestion, rashes, if you are having issue with the skin, any kind of skin blemishes, skin issues, collagen production is great here. Ascorbic acid is in supporting with your beautifying the skin. There's passion fruit concentrate, zinc, turmeric concentrate, inulin, and a whole lot of olaito olasaccharide. Galato olasaccharide is a probiotics that is loaded with its great benefits. So comprehensively, this is a product that children can take, nursing moms can take, a pregnant woman can take, anybody can take it for its greatness. It makes the case smarter. So as a parent, try getting one and thank me later because the goodness, how the children will start changing. You see how they are answering questions. You see what comes from their mouth. You understand that it's loaded for everyone. So it's something that my family will hold it dear, and I urge us all to hold it very, very good. From here, we are moving to the product called J Flex, another powerful blend of herbs. It's 100% organic, loaded with great benefits, like it's a natural relief, it supports our joint health, our bone health, it supports with inflammation. That is key to whoever that is having bones issues. So it's a comprehensively product for bones health. So if you are battling with any kind of bone issue, just name them. It's a gradual process, but at the end of the day, it supports, nourish, restore cartilage growth, and also other kinds of issue. It's strengthening your bone density. Those that are having weaker bone, it's strengthening our overall well-being. So this is a product that supports too with gut and skin health. It's a natural reliever, as I said, and it's also good for everyone. if you start wearing high heels, start getting some for yourself, because when you start aging, that is where all those high heel styles will start affecting you, because you overstress your muscles and it's not good. Notice anyone that works in the health department, you never see them wearing high heels. Have you ever seen a nurse wearing high heels? No, because they know the side effect, but we always take them for granted. Some people too, we know that is not good, but because we want to look good, we still go ahead wearing, making sure that at the end of the day, we are going to pay for the price. So get it to always make sure that the price will never come. You start preventing. That is always key. So to the next product, we have the ProBio D for Yes Global. So this is another masterpiece, beautifully designed, organically formulated, coming in to support our oral hygiene, our oral health. So this product supports the teeth, strengthen the cavity, clear the odor from the mouth, restore halitosis, any kinds of wound, either ulcer, any kind of sore in the mouth. It's prevent gum bleeding. It's friendly to the teeth. It's very friendly to sensitive teeth. People that were having sensitiveness, it's able to restore all those. It's also whitening the teeth, and don't forgetting the protecting of your mouth, leaving you with a lasting refreshing 24/7. Yes, 24/7. Ever since we started using this toothpaste, the goodness is loaded. In fact, it has strengthening my cavity. I used to have that weaker, a bit very weak density, but now I've seen that things I couldn't chew, like sugarcane and the rest, I could chew them easily without any hesitation. Things like citrus, oranges and those family, I find difficult using them, but now I could eat it without even thinking about it. So this is a great testimony for me, and I know a lot of us are also having this powerful testimony. So it's also a probiotics that's also strengthening and protect. Children can use, elderly can use. It's friendly, everyone can use. In fact, you can eat it. There's no side effect, because the same probiotics in the Probio C Plus is the same in the Probio D. So get one and thank me later. Then from here, we are coming to the almighty triangle of health. This is a game changer. This is our repair kits. This is a comprehensively lifestyle. This is overall well-being. So with this triangle of health, we've been talking a lot. I've been asking, we keep upgrading, keep adding names to this three because of their goodness, the benefit we've been receiving. Starting from Sunrise is the main stem cell from our company, Yes Global, is made of herbs, finest herbs in Asia and the likes, starting from moringa, turmeric, acai berries, grape stem cell, apple stem cell, cows, a whole lot of blueberries, and the likes, spermidine, and so much more ingredients. Aricimos, login, zigin, otiva, and the rest. They are all powerful discoveries in the Sunrise. And this Sunrise coming to restore the overall vitality, protecting ourselves from damaging, cell renewal, overall repair works, and also the reactivating of dormancy. So with the Sunrise supporting our cardiovascular, regulating our blood sugar, strengthening our immunity, and a whole lot with the skin is a key. Whoever that start using within the shortest time, your skin beauty is start noticeable. People will start praising you for its goodness. So it's a very powerful finest product for that matter. In fact, there are products in the market. Yes, I will repeat, there are products in the market, but I can confidently beat my chest and say they are products and they are products, because what is entailed, what is made up of our Sunrise, there's none in the market. If you've seen a product, compare. As our leader said, I am an alternative herbal practitioner, and I know what formulation of products are. Any product, what is made up of the product, that makes the product either potency or not. So as I'm hammering about Sunrise, I'm not just bragging, it's what it is. It's very good. And it's a product everybody can use. The day-born child can use it. A pregnant woman can use it. A nursing mom can use it. Everybody is inclusive. But we have how it should be taken. A child born today cannot take a full sachet. A child below 10 years cannot take a full sachet. So we have a way of taking. In fact, someone can take 2 times a day, depending on the problems we are working on. If more taking, what is needed in the body will be used, the rest will pass through the stool out, because there is no chemical that will be deposited in any part of your organ. It's organically formulated. Then the Sunset, the colon guard is another great product that complements the Sunrise. But mind you, Sunrise is the only stem cell. The colon guard come in to support with our immunity, strengthening our clearing the toxin from our body, and then resetting the body for its defense mode. The colon guard comes in with great benefit like anti-cancer property, antioxidant, and also anti-inflammatory properties. So if you know someone having any kind of cancer issue, the colon guard will help a lot because of its goodness. Colon guard support our microbial balancing. It supports with the gut balance. It helps produce more antibodies to defend the body. So with the colon guard, be assured of cleaning all your veins, and cleaning a vein is for a better, for healthy living. If you are choked, if your veins are choked, if the veins are not clear, you can never be a normal person, because seeing a gutter choked with plastics, water flow is difficult, and circulation is a key. So clearing all those fats, clearing all those blockages is a key to healthy person, and it's also a key to protecting you from getting issues like cholesterol, high cholesterol, hypertension, and the likes. So colon guard comes in to prepare the body, to readjust the body, to make sure that if you are obesity, it will help you manage or reduce your weight. Not forgetting cholesterol is a silent killer. So as I said, colon guard support clear the bad fat from the body, thereby nourishing the cardiovascular health, thereby supporting the whole body. And it also, when you are on colon guard, you notice that it makes your skin very good thanks to the azathioprine that is in colon guard, with other powerful ingredients like the aloe vera and great numerous discovery too that are in colon guard: flaxseed, omega-3 fatty acid, and the light milk thistle, and so many goodness that are all in. It supports someone that is having asthma, someone that is having a whole lot of chronic issues like hypertension, no matter how long. In fact, colon guard really does work in those kind of issues. It supports ulcers of all kinds. In fact, it's very good for that bloating of stomachs, either gastritis or whatever. In fact, colon guard is known for its goodness when it comes to anything that has to do with your colon. Is one of our great product that Yes Global ever made. And from there, Sunset is the last product, but also the goodness loaded. Sunset come in to support the two to work hand in hand. Sunset is a product that is loaded with great ingredients like valerian root, chamomile, lavender, passion fruit concentrate, just to mention but few. If you've ever been a therapist like me, if you've ever known how it's entailed, if you ever known those things that can relax the body, to reset the body, to readjust, to empower the mind, to flush out plagues from the mind, you understand that colon guard is something that we should hold it dear. You see, normally our sleeping pattern changes due to what we do and lifestyle we associate with ourselves. Forgetting that sleeping is not like something we can negotiate. Sleeping is something that is a necessity for you and I. At least we are recommended to sleep 8 hours. But even if we cannot sleep that 8 hours, we should do moderation like 6 hours. But the sadness part of it is that majority just cannot even manage with 4 hours. We barely sleep due to one way or the other. At the end of the day, plaques keep building, and those plaques will end up affecting our kidneys, because there's a lot compiling that needed to be flushed out. But because we are negligent, because we don't know the side effect, it starts affecting our memory. We start having dementia. We start having a whole lot of brain disorders, but forgetting that we lack sleeping, forgetting that we don't prioritize sleeping, forgetting that sleeping is necessity. That was why God brought it at the first place. So never negotiate sleep for anything. It's something that is a necessity. It's something that we should hold here. It's something that you should make time for it, to sleep well, to empower your mind. That is why sunrise support you. Even if you sleep just 4 hours, you will get the goodness. You sleep quality. You wake up refreshed, restart, smart, and everything is on point. When you sleep very well too, it will support with weight management. If you are someone that is battling with obesity, it will support regulate your cortisol level. That is a hormone also serving as neutral transmitter. So Sunset is a comprehensive product. These three come in to support high blood pressure, support obesity, cholesterol, diabetes. The three come in together to support stroke issues and a whole lot of degenerative diseases we can mention but few. So this is a game changer. You could hear so many names associated with it because of its goodness, because of how people's life have been transformed through these three great products. In fact, we have 10 products at hand, but as we speak, 2 are on the way coming, making our product a total of 12. I've mentioned 10 of them, but there's 2 that I want to just introduce in addition. So we have the 7T. That is also good. In fact, it's so unique. I wish we can all taste it to testify its goodness. The 7T and the 7 coffee are coming in to help make it 12 products. So if you've never tasted the coffee or the tea, I will urge you to pray so that they come fast. I had the privilege to taste the tea, and I can assure you people that the goodness is too much. After tasting it, I wish I could have a whole pack to just be using it. And it's loaded with so much nutrients, so much benefit coming in. So in fact, these 2 coming, I urge us to prepare ourselves down so that we can enjoy it. I have tasted it, and I wish we could all taste it so that we can all have the experience together. On this note, I would like to hand it over to our host. Thank you so much for staying with me.
Wow, 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 wow. Thank you so much, Dr. Hadun, for all that education. I have learned a lot, and I believe that all those on board have also learned something. Learned a lot as a man, and I'm going to make sure that from now on, Alpha Max M Plus, Coffee, Ali Prime are not far from me, because I don't want to have prostate enlargement or prostate cancer. Prevention is better than cure. So I would rather prevent. And I know that every man listening to me will do the same. So we also appreciate all the education on all the other products, the triangle of health. I will make sure that, in fact, I take it every day. I take sunrise. I don't miss my sunrise. It's only Kolongat once a while. I jump one, but I make sure that sunrise, sunset, Kolongat, they are always around me. So I encourage you, whether you are preventing or you want to empower your body to overcome, these are the right ingredients. Now, somebody may ask, so what about those using our products? How are they faring? So tonight, we have just, our time is up. We close exactly 9, but we'll just take some additional 5 minutes to hear from some of the excited users of the product, how it fared for them. Let's hear from them. So it's Mr. Godwin, all the way from Koforidua. Godwin, wow, if you are on the call, kindly unmute yourself and share with us your excitement with these products. Mr. Godwin, you're welcome.
Thank you, Mr. Paul Nassamo. And thank you, Doctor, for your wonderful presentation.
Welcome.
Yes, Global.
Yes, we can.
Yes, we can.
Thank you for giving me this great opportunity. I happened to use the Probiotic C plus, and I introduced it to my family as well because it has 30 pieces in it. And my boy, who has been having cold almost every week, also tried it. And I tell you, he is now free with that, will I say, chronic cold. I also had some serious cold. I took only two. You see, you take one in 0.5 liters water for a day. So the following day, I took another one. And the way the cold was disturbing me, it went off. The most amazing one is my boy's problem because it started from infancy. Almost every now and then he's having cold. His nostrils are choked. But when I brought this probiotic into the house, I asked them to be using it because it is just like the vitamin C, but this is more potent than the vitamin C. So I thought it is just a preventive measure, but I tell you what, it does a lot of things we don't even know. And it worked magic in my home. So it has become our household product. And also I introduced a male friend to the Afamax and plus the coffee. He is having the prostate already, enlargement. And we happened to attend a conference in Kumasi. So I sent it there and he took it. He can urinate 3 to 7 times in a night. The first night he urinated once, he slept till daybreak. The second day he didn't urinate. The third day he didn't urinate. So he asked me, he has even bought 4 so that he will be, and he has been calling me that these days he's free from that frequent urination. And the other aspect is that formerly he was not having erection, so he has forgotten about having sex with the wife. Like the wife is like a sister. Now he cannot because every time he's having erection, So even the wife is now complaining. So Alpha Max M Plus, whichever you take, whether the candy, the coffee, and Ally Prime, they are all effective. So I encourage, especially the partners, members, to use it, and also advocate it to every man you meet because it's a powerful tool for men. That is why it's called the Magic Man. Thank you for giving me this opportunity, Mr. Nasamu. Thank you and good night.
Wow, 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 wow. Thank you so much, Mr. Godwin. That is amazing. Wow. So now your household, from what I'm hearing, you are free from the cold. We thank God. These are the kind of
Of course.
you want to hear. People being excited and their life changing after coming in encounter with these amazing products. So thank you so much. And the man, hey,
You're welcome.
now he's not having a sister, he's having a wife again. That is good.
He's now having a wife instead of a sister. She's no more a roommate. She's now having a wife.
We thank God. We thank God for his life, and we thank God for bringing these amazing products to us.
Okay.
To use it to empower. Thank you so much. Now, our last test, just in just about few minutes, 5 minutes, we'll be closing. So let's talk to one of our excited users who have decided to take it upon himself to help and empower many because of how the thing have worked for him. Our own daddy, Major Retired Ampofo, some of you have seen his testimony, but tonight we can assure you, we want you to hear from him, if only the network will permit him. Major Retired Ampofo, if you are on a call, welcome to the meeting tonight. Kindly unmute yourself. Major, are you on the call?
Thank you very much.
Welcome. To have
the triangle of help has really helped me a great deal, because after I've my test to prove to show that my heart had been rejuvenated. I then realized that I had a prostate enlargement problem, and I never thought about it. Truly, prostate enlargement is something that happens to a lot of men. In my case, I found out that it was genetic. My father went down with it, and I got hit with it. My son has got hit with it. My son has got hit with it. But the symptoms that really worried me was the occasional retention, which made it necessary for me to wear what they call a tube or what. And every time I had a retention, I had to go to hospital to have it drained, which means I had to wear the catheter. And I had it 5 times. 5 times. Even wearing it once, it's such big deal. And I had to wear it 5 times. So the temporary solution that my consultant was a Nigerian consultant, a very beautiful gentleman, was that I should have a resection. A resection means they use laser to cut open the entrance to the bladder to let the urine flow. I did that a long time ago. But he said, because it's genetic, it will grow back. But he's giving me 20 years. Within 20 years, it will grow back. And I tell you, 20 years, it has not grown back because when I took the triangle of health, and I never used Alpha Max, I never used the other 2 products. It never grew back. And I had my free flow of urine for years and a strong flow. And the frequency of visiting the bathroom has gone down. Well, eliminated. Sometimes I don't even get up to urinate at all. The most I've urinated in the night is maybe once or twice, but it's normal. And my libido, I don't question my libido because when we come to practice, when we come for meetings, and sometimes I ask, oh, let me try that. And I take one Alpha Max, and it disturbs me quite a lot. So at this age, I've gone on pension. So I don't want any disturbance. But Alpha Max really troubled me, so I don't use it. But I want to tell something that people should take notice of. We are always every day exposed to attack from virus, germs, and things like that. And eating habits also don't help. So whether it's genetic, my genetic condition has been corrected. It's been corrected. It's not coming into my blood anymore. But I want to advise that we should try to, those of us who don't have genetic BPH, should always make sure that the blood is flowing, the heart is pumping all right, and that we don't put pressure on the bladder because that will trigger the enlargement. Thank you very much.
Wow. Thank you so much, Major Type Amperful. The man you just listened to He's a retired military officer. And when you see him right now, you think that he just recently retired. His body is looking good, fresh, and he has the strength, still driving a manual car. Now drop his spectacles and seeing everything by himself and reading everything by himself. And guess what? He is 87 years now. So having you is a blessing. Thank you so much for such a wonderful testimony. And I know that now that at this age, you are so free from your prostate, I don't think you will ever experience it again once you still use these products. So thank you. And we encourage each and every one of us on the call tonight. You don't need to wait for the problem, even if you're not experiencing anything. It is always much easier and less expensive to prevent than to be desperate after waiting for the problem to occur. So if you are battling with it, you can take it to help yourself. If you don't even have it, take it to prevent. So I take Alphamax M Plus periodically just to ensure that I am okay. But the Triangle of Health, I take it every day. So because the Alphamax M Plus, you can't take it every day. I cannot take it every day because, hey, the work will be too much. Yes, I don't know about you, but I take it. I give some few days because it will make you work and work and work and work. All right, thank you all. So at this point, we want to encourage you. If tonight is the first time you are here, I want you to reach back to whichever link, whoever shared the link with you. Whatever, ask them, how do I get these products? They can arrange for you to pick up, or we can arrange a delivery to your doorsteps. They can also guide you to choose a package. Now, if you are solving any specific problem, just share with them, let them guide you with the product selection, because our products do very well. They empower the body very, very well. So once your body is well empowered, the body have the ability to fight and strengthen all organs. So make sure you take these products as a preventive measure, and they can actually empower you.